In the TWQuickTour Quick Tour, you'll learn about TWQuick's main features. CorpWorks and TWQuick are highly similar. If you've played the CorpWorks Quick Tour video, you'll see that they're built off the same chassis. Once you've learned CorpWorks, it's very easy to learn TWQuick. Why TWQuick? Some clients may use trusts, which you can accurately model. However, equally important is the ability to demonstrate to clients the advantages of trusts. Let's consider a common and simple example that can be clearly demonstrated in VisionWorks. Bill's in a second marriage, owns a cottage, and wants to leave it to Bill Jr. Because his estate must pay the capital gains taxes on it, the effect could be devastating on what will be left to Sue, his second wife. However, on Bill's death, the cottage could be transferred to a spousal trust. Capital gains taxes will be deferred until Sue's death and will be payable by the trust. Sue's financial circumstances on Bill's death will be considerably better. Using TWQuick is just as much about demonstrating to clients the value of using a trust as it is accurately modeling the circumstances of clients who already use trusts. On the About page, you create the trusts in the plan. You can create as many testamentary and inter vivos trusts as you wish. On the Settlers tab, you add the settlor or settlers of the trust, the person or persons who transfer property to the trust. On the Beneficiaries tab, you enter a trust income and capital beneficiaries. You can import the beneficiaries from any VisionWorks or CorpWorks plan. The Contingent Beneficiaries tab is relevant when a TWQuick plan is linked to a VisionWorks plan and a life insurance needs analysis is done in VisionWorks. If a beneficiary dies, what adjustments would need to be made to the interest in the trust for the surviving beneficiaries? On the General tab, you assign a name to the trust and enter data such as its creation date and province or territory of residence. Once you've completed the Settlers, Beneficiaries, and General tabs, a map is automatically drawn. There are no restrictions on its complexity. On the Entries page, you model a trust property, income, and expenses. For example, you can model portfolios, rental properties, residences, and the ownership of private company shares. You can model an unlimited number of businesses, each of which may have its own property. You can model a trust's general expenses such as fees. Let's learn about solutions. The Solutions page is the point of the planning process, to uncover and resolve any gaps. TWQuick displays three financial indicators: net worth, net cash flow, and allocations. Output can be displayed graphically, or it can be displayed in a spreadsheet format. You can expand the spreadsheet so that it fills your monitor. In a single file, you can create an unlimited number of what-if scenarios, or solutions as they're called in TWQuick. In a solution, you can change existing entries or add new ones. In a new solution, we've added a rental property that the Smiths are thinking of buying with the cash flow from the trust's operating business. To help clients make informed decisions, on the Compare tab you can compare the financial forecast for any two solutions. In this example, buying a rental property adds to the trust's net worth. However, it also reduces the distributions to the trust beneficiaries. On the Tactics tab, there are several sub-tabs. On the Tax Deduction sub-tab, you can control when the trust claims deductions for donations and various types of losses in order to maximize their tax advantage. On the Distribution sub-tab, you can control the allocations and distributions to income and capital beneficiaries. On the Allocation tab, you can change the asset allocation of portfolios over time. Let's learn about TrustWorks output. On the To Do by Year sub-tab, you can create a personalized to-do list. It's the focal point of the planning process. Planning is of no value unless it results in action. On the Report sub-tab, you create the written plan. The report is made up of sections and subsections. You select those that are appropriate for your client. The report can be as long or as short as you wish. In the printed plan, you have complete text entry control, including colors, font, and point size. Also, you can print a pro forma T3 tax return plus schedules for each year of the plan.